What is it?
Govinda Menon.
Yes, he's inside.
Okay. Menon brother. This is me, Johnson. Menon's favorite Johnny Kutti.
Johnny Kutti.
After keeping Madhavan Menon's family outside from this village, it's been so long that you have started doing this. When this Amarakard and Patros is still alive, the people who have come from other states can never rule us.
No, don't do this to me. No.
They have asked me to kill you. That's the reason. You should not step your foot here. That's why Patros will take it off.
Is it a dream I'm seeing? Patros' son Johnny Kutti as a police officer. I can't still believe myself. When you couldn't live a life in the birthplace, you ran away with your mother. I thought, just like your dad, you will become a big rowdy. Son of a rowdy is a rowdy. Son of a police is a police. Doctor's son is a doctor. People always say that, right? But you changed and proved them wrong. I'm proud of you.
That's enough. I've heard this from you, right? That's enough. Because of speaking those words, I've been struggling for this long. Sister has insulted the whole family and left the family after being grown up with a rowdy. Don't have to pray me with flowers. At least they didn't show me the kindness that they show to the dog.
Uncle, Dad drank poison. For going hospital, we don't have any money. Please save my father, Uncle. I will begging you, please, Uncle, please.
You dog! Who's your uncle? You have come here begging for your father, who has spoiled our family name. He should die brutally. That is why I have paid and sent people to break his hands and legs. What are you looking? Throw this dog out of our compound.
How dare you come here and speak about
boy.
it?
Why
Just
are you
get
here
out
right
Please
now?
help me, Uncle.
Don't
Get out.
come here.
Shut your mouth.
You're not supposed to talk about this.
Otherwise,
Get
he will
lost.
die, Uncle.
Shut up.
Please, Uncle.
Get out of
Die.
here.
I will
Don't
beg
care
you,
about
listen
Uncle,
to me.
please,
Just
Uncle.
get off.
Uncle,
Throw him
please,
away. Get out of this
Uncle.
place.
Mama! Oh, mother! Oh, I can't drink this anymore. My stomach is hurting. Oh my god! I can't take this. Oh my god! Why did you even tie my legs? What's wrong with it? My son, John Kutti.
Mom, Dad.
I don't know the condition. Brother?
How is he now, doctor?
In my experience of this many years, I've not seen a case like this. Even though a lot of poison was found inside his body, I really don't know how he survived it.
What?
That was... He wants to see his son.
Come, let's go. How are you feeling?
Mom, Dad,
Oh, my son!
Dad is thirsty. Give some water.
Menon sir! I'm sorry.
Dad,
Oh God, my son! My son should not become like me. I can't bear that. I should not become a responsibility for someone else. That's the reason I did this. Someone please loosen up these ties. Menon sir, forgive me. I can't take this. Ayama, listen here. You should not become like me.
Okay, Dad.
Never in your life you should become like me.
Dad.
Lakshmi dear.
Oh my God. What I'm seeing is real? Brother? Why are you standing? Please
Oh,
sit
that's
down.
okay. You sleep.
Every time she'll be sleeping only. Once the God leaves your hands to get a grip of something else to walk, not only for your health, even for your mental health, it is important. When you want to forget it but you can't forget it, that God has told it to the mother that she has to take up some rest like this.
Don't cry now, dear. Those days are gone. Whatever it could be, you are blessed with a son like this who is brave and courageous. Be thankful for that first. Till the time I am alive, don't feel that you don't have anyone with you. Your brother is still there.
Paint it faster, man. You won't take so much time while pickpocketing.
Take it, sir.
What is this? Early morning you are bringing such a big tiffin box to police station? Did you shift your chicken business to police station?
What is this? Why would I do something like
You will
that?
not do. You should do.
Okay, you're okay, right?
To tell you the truth, in my whole life, I have lost only 2 times. One when I was in 8th. One more time it is now in your love and affection.
Sharanamayi appa.
Eh? That is my dialogue, no?
Hey, Pakru. If he smokes in public area, police will catch him.
Yes.
So if he smokes in police station, will they not catch him?
Don't catch because he's smoking here.
Not only that, this fellow smokes inside the cinema theatre also. SI sir only has put the orders to smoke till evening. How is it?
Superb idea.
In 1 hour he has smoked 4,500 BDs.
Sir,
What is
the
it?
balance BD can I smoke after
When
food?
you are eating, will your father will come here to smoke?
BD is
You will
over.
get one more bundle. You can smoke with no hesitation.
Oh.
Come, inside there are many other
Huh.
items.
Hey, you stay here.
Huh.
Your vehicle hasn't come here to city.
Sir.
He showed his manlyhood sitting in the lady's seat. Now you enjoy.
Looking at all this, I think the world is going to change.
Not changing. It has changed.
Otherwise we will make it change.
Yes.
Ah.
Leave that. How come you are here?
I came here to introduce myself to Ben Johnson, sir.
Mammootty.
No. Our new SI.
That is what. It's a nice time for introduction.
Why do you say like that? Is he not here?
He is here only, but in lockup. Eating work. No. He's doing his beating work. Did you see? The earth is shaking.
Swamiye.
Sharanamayappa.
There are some lusty people inside sitting. You make sure that you give them some sugar.
Hello, sir. This is Mandal President Ukran.
You're Ugran or what? The Mandala will decide. Now you tell me why you're here.
He is my party member.
Sitting party.
You can't arrest my party member. With my own risk, release him now.
Eh, When you are taking your own risk, what risk will be there for me? You're sitting for a very long time. Get up and get lost.
Thank you.
If you need any help from me, don't forget me.
Sir.
Did you call me?
Swami, kindly teach him that position.
Sharanamayappa. Like this. In between Padmasana and Purnasana, you should sit like this. But when sitting, you should concentrate on your asanas. Otherwise, somewhere it will tear. Then it will be insulting for you. You sit.
Hey, I'm a Mandal President, man.
Doesn't matter your mandala or whatever. Sit down, man.
Sharanamayappa, Mandala told off.
Hello. What are you doing here? Have you come here to watch the circus?
Hey, no. I came here to tell you that nobody has disturbed me so far. To share that happiness, my grandma sent me here. Usually for people like you, I know money is your happiness. But I'm not going to give you anything. That is why grandma told me don't give money, cook something and give for him. Not just that, looking at your hefty body, I thought you're a good foodie person. Right, Swami?
Manasavacha Sharanamayappa.
And I've made some items with chicken. Hey, Bakro, get that inside.
Yes, I am
Oh my
coming.
god.
Hey, Bakro, open that and keep it aside. This is chicken chili. This is chicken fry. This is chicken curry and chapati, appam and basmati rice. I did not have much time. I could only make this much. Now you can sit and finish it off easily.
Who prepared all of this?
Gauri,
Who is that?
I am Gauri.
You could have told me that you only done it. Since you have bought this food from so long with so much of hard work, why don't you sit down on this chair?
No, sir. I'll stand here.
You should listen to what I say. Sit down.
Hey, you get up. You keep standing. You're of engage. Look at him.
Take one of these and taste it and tell me.
Ayayo, I tasted it and got it here.
Oh, I want to see that. How is it?
It's delicious.
Isn't it? Now why don't you look back and read the board that is behind?
Giving gifts and taking gifts is subjected to punishment.
Isn't it?
Huh.
I will give you 5 minutes time. Before that 5 minute ends, you should eat the whole thing and return back.
Huh?
How is it?
This is very nice.
Shut up and eat what you bought. Her and her hospitality.